How to contact Lowe's customer service? Well, to contact Lowe's customer service, you can use the web browser or you can use the app. If you're using the app, open up the application. Now, there are two different options. If you have any problem with orders, then you can head over to your accounts tab, head over to that particular order under the orders tab. Then you can simply proceed to select report a problem option and report your problem there. Or what you can do is you can head over to the accounts tab here and you should be able to find the help section right here. Under the accounts tab, you should be able to see the support option. Now in my case, I'm not logged into my account as you can see, so I'm not seeing the support option. If you do not find it similarly on the application like me, if you're unable to find it, if you're having a hard time, now you can see here. So you can head over to web and you can search in Lowe's support. So you can search in Lowe's support or Lowe's support number. Either ways, you'll get the customer service number right at the top and you'll get the help and customer service at lowes.com as well. So you can get the link, you can head over to that link and you can proceed to contact the support. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.